Good morning, it's Connie Perkins. I wanted to share with you about the food intolerance lab test that I took. I had an itchy rash that was causing sores because I could not stop itching for 3 months. And I had been to my regular doctor, I had been to a dermatologist 5 times and tried 5 different kinds of medicine and could not get the issue resolved. I was itching day and night to the point of bleeding, and I could not stop it. I took the food intolerance test, and it came back showing I had a high overgrowth of a certain kind of yeast that is only treated with 2 different kinds of medicine. I took it to the dermatologist. She gave me the wrong kind of medicine. I had to look it up for myself to get the right medicine that treated for that yeast. And within a month, the rash is now gone. I could not be happier. I would recommend this test to anybody to help solve a problem that is not being managed in other ways. Thank you, Food Intolerance Labs.